Welcome back to this edition of Daily Actives brought to you by Bootleg Macro. I'm Dustin, and we are looking at AMC, which today was the big winner in the stock market, being up almost 33%. Now, if you look at the individual price of what we have today after Monday, July 24th, you can see the pricing is within red lettering and a black and a white background. That means it's 3 standard deviations above its 23-day average, as well as you can see that that's the same thing we have with the volume, where we had 256 million shares traded in one day, which again, red lettering, white background, this was an explosion of volume that we have not seen in AMC in a very long time. If we even scroll back, I can't even see the last time that we had over 100 million shares traded. I'm going to go ahead and just very quickly look at the individual volume chart because I have a feeling today was exactly just an anomaly, which is, suffice to say, probably an important signal because you also got, along with a humongous volume and price change, you got the positive on the 1 day, the 5 day, the 15 day, the 1 month, the 3 month, and the 6 month rolling, which all flipped at the same time, which I'd love to see. We are about to go actually probably bullish on a short-term, intermediate term, and longer term. We do not even have go long signals yet, but I imagine that if this continues, you're going to have them by the end of the week. Now, when we look back at what is going on in AMC, I do want to take a quick peek at what the volatility is doing. The reason why is because volatility will generally tell you a lot about what may go on in an individual price because it's a derivative. If you don't know what I mean, I'm not talking about a financial instrument. I'm talking about a piece of math. Look it up if you don't know it. The most important part, though, to me is that we see that volatility is actually falling and it's probably bottomed and it's about to break back out. Most likely what we're going to see is very similar to this. You're going to see a hump where it comes down to a valley and it makes another mountain, essentially makes maybe another valley, could probably go lower than that since we've already gone there. I don't know if it's going to come down to like 0.3 or back here when it's at 0.8, 0.72 or 1.0. I see that where we are at right now is 1.2 in terms of volatility, but I see that the correlation is going incredibly negative. So what I'd like to see actually is a resumption of the bullish, or at least the red bars going up, right? The price volatility breaking out. And then I'd like to see the correlation start to actually flip like it did here and go positive as it's breaking out, because that would mean that we could see some very aggressive, very high-end moves inside of AMC right now. We'll look quickly just at what the trade range is. The trade range, as expected, is going to be bonkers because this was in a tight consolidation range for a very long period of time. It probably is. You probably need to break over, 850 or even $10 to be able to really be considered a serious bull trend. But for right now, AMC looks like something you want to pay attention to, at least to fade it one way or the other. But again, not financial advice. But let me know in the comments below. Are you long? Are you short? Do you like it? Do you love it? Is this even a good review? And before you go, subscribe to the New High newsletter. It comes out Sundays at 9. We give out 25 plus stocks breaking out every single week. I'll talk to you soon.